Okay, so our amplifier section is going in here because of the heat inside the compartment here. We're doing a fan to pull out, and then it's going to be another fan on the inside here to push so that there'll be good ventilation inside here. Okay, another video on our cover for our amplifier. This will set down right in here for our fan, cooling, and our final grill going into the cover plate for the subwoofer in the back. Thank you. Okay, another stage of the subwoofer enclosure. Here is our covered Alcantara board for the to cover the subwoofer. We have the part that you really don't ever see, but there's the back put together. We press this here. Nice. I'll get an image of this inside there. Thank you. Okay, Sound Concept is showing you the finished product of the subwoofer with the matching Alcantara fabric. Perfect. Seats are going back in. Thank you.